today's weather forecast. Sunny skies in the morning, followed by storms in the afternoon. Don't forget your umbrella. The morning looks nice, lots of sunshine, clouds of white and a bright blue sky. But the sky's turning gray, there's wind and some rain. It looks like it's gonna be a stormy day. Weather, weather, all kinds of weather, like sunny, breezy, cloudy, warm, pleasant days. Weather, weather, all kinds of weather, like windy, rainy, stormy, hot, muggy days. A lightning bolt, that thundering sound, there's a storm coming.